Train horn and the community are linked together. Holy shit. And look at the cars. And that's the car that's speeding. And this is PG&E. This is how we getting dope money to harass the dog out here. Wait, hold on. Get the dog. Ready? And this is how the cops are paying off the people in Fresno to give them money and dope to keep everything out here in Fresno quiet. We just got the Frax bus unit went by. Everywhere we go, Fresno Frax bus go by and go, pow. So that's good. That's kind of like a victory good for us. And that's what the dog does. All right, so what we gonna do is we about to go towards the other way, and this is where the cops gonna be basically bagged up and basically looking at the people when they're flying at a high rate speed. This is what the cops gonna be doing to the people out here in Fresno, and basically giving them dope money. There's your class though, and like I say, the cars are linked to the train horn. Did you guys just hear that? About to go in the parking lot. Oh.